Guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. I've got some exciting news for you guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying all the maintenance we've been doing on the ML55. It's now time to transition to doing a few modifications on the ML55. I'm excited to show you guys exactly what the process is like. Just to clarify, pretty much unlocking mostly the full potential of this engine and transmission. So you guys know the ML55 is the M113 naturally aspirated engine, and it's got the 5-speed automatic transmission as well. So the plan here is to go stage 1 ECU and stage 2 TCU, and then from there we'll see where we'll end up going. The first thing, upgrading the air intake. I mean, you don't have to do that. It's just a plus in terms of modifications before getting a tune. Second step, definitely exhaust. I want to get that V8 sound going. I've got a setup already that I want to try on here, and it's gonna sound great. I'll show you guys exactly what I'll be doing to the exhaust so you guys aren't left out. Number 3, it's more of a maintenance thing, but it's not an upgrade from what I have since we're going stage 1, but it needed to be addressed. So I went ahead and also changed out the fuel pump and as well as the fuel filter on the ML. It used to not start on the first start and start on the second start, and that was due to the fuel filter regulator. So I just went ahead and replaced the fuel filter. The regulator is attached to the fuel filter, and the fuel pump is underneath the seat in the interior. But that's pretty much what I've got lined up for the ML55. So a stage 1 tune on the ECU and a stage 2 tune on the transmission. I hope you guys are excited about these upgrades we're going to be doing on the ML55. I'm excited. So if you guys are new to the channel, definitely subscribe. If anything, just smash the like button so this video can be seen, so other ML55s can benefit from, you know, whatever I'm going to be doing in terms of modifications. And if anyone is looking to mod their ML55 in terms of performance, they can see what I've done to mine, and they can kind of replica or go their own route on how they can have their ML55 perform a lot better. If you guys were to mod your ML55 in terms of exhaust setup, what would you do on yours? Definitely leave it down in the comments below. I would love to hear that. Obviously, we're going with RaceIQ stage 1 tune as well as the RaceIQ stage 2 TCU tune. So it's gonna be a fun one, guys. This car is definitely gonna be fun driving around with. I didn't mention, but this is gonna be a short video. I just wanted to let you guys know the transition of what we're doing after, you know, all the maintenance we've been doing on the ML55. I think I'm gonna conclude the video here. If you guys do have any questions, definitely put it down in the comments, or you can shoot me a DM on Instagram, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to update you guys and let you know what we're going to be doing next on the ML55. All right, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the like button. Let's get this video going, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, take care.